We have Toyota Echo. This is my new project and very common problem on Toyota Echoes, Yaris. That's a hatch door lock cylinder. It's known to fail even if you put a key in. It pushes in and goes back and forth. And you're trying to turn. It's not turning. If you will keep pushing, it will just twist the key and the key will break. And then you will have a broken key if you think you can do it with a screwdriver. Nope, it's not going to work, unfortunately, because key needs to go all the way in and get engaged with the lock cylinder, and then you can turn and push it in and open it up. But I'm going to share with you a very easy, quick solution how to get it open. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. You won't miss any videos. All right, my Echo project, small European car. I like this one. Okay, what I did, I just removed this vinyl panel cover for the hatch door, and as you can see, there's lock cylinder which will need to be replaced at some point. But to open a door, what you need to do, you just need to locate this vertical arm and push it to the right. Here we go. And yeah, your door is open. You want to close it and close it again, and you push it on it and open. Here we go. Yeah, simple as that. Now you know. If this video will help someone, that will be awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Very appreciated your time. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Take care.